Are you tired of using the same large frying pans for small, delicate meals, only to find yourself with extra mess and uneaten portions? If you're craving a more efficient way to cook smaller servings of your favorite dishes, whether it's eggs, pancakes, or even mini brownies, this Granitestone Blue Mini Nonstick Egg Pan and Omelet Pan 5.5-inch is the answer. This compact yet powerful pan is designed for those who appreciate convenience, durability, and quality in their cookware. The Granitestone Blue Collection brings you a non-stick, diamond-infused pan that will change the way you prepare single servings. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent preparing quick meals for the kids, or someone who simply enjoys cooking small portions without the mess, this mini frying pan promises to simplify your kitchen experience while delivering outstanding results. Why you'll love the Granitestone Blue Mini Nonstick Egg Pan. This pan may be small in size, but it packs a punch when it comes to performance. From scrambled eggs to pancakes, the Granitestone Blue Mini Nonstick Egg Pan is designed to provide the perfect cooking surface for your single-serve meals. Here's why it's quickly becoming a kitchen essential for many. Key features and benefits. Ideal size for single servings. At just 5.5 inches, this mini pan is perfect for cooking small portions like sunny-side-up eggs, scrambled eggs, omelets, or even single servings of pancakes and mini brownies. Its compact size makes it easy to handle and saves space in your kitchen. Perfect for those cooking for 1 or 2 people. Ultra non-stick surface. The Granitestone Blue Non-Stick Cooking Surface is coated 3 times and reinforced with diamonds, ensuring the ultimate food release. You won't need oil or butter, which makes it a great choice for those looking to eat healthier while keeping cleanup a breeze. Durable diamond-infused coating. This pan is not just about easy cooking, it's about long-lasting performance. The diamond-infused coating makes the pan incredibly strong, durable, and resistant to wear. It can withstand the use of metal utensils, spatulas, spoons, and even electric beaters without scratching or losing its non-stick properties. Effortless cleanup. Forget about scrubbing away stubborn food residue. Thanks to its non-stick surface, you can cook your favorite dishes without worrying about them sticking to the pan. Plus, this mini frying pan is dishwasher safe, meaning you can save time on cleaning and spend more time enjoying your meal. Healthier cooking. Since the pan requires little to no oil or butter, it offers a healthier way to prepare your meals. With reduced fat content and easy food release, you can enjoy your favorite foods without worrying about added calories or sticky messes. Beautiful and functional design. The Granitestone Blue finish isn't just visually appealing, it's also part of the new 2020 Granitestone Classic Blue Collection. This cookware line pairs a sleek blue design with exceptional non-stick functionality, making this frying pan a stunning addition to any kitchen. How the Granitestone Blue Mini Non-Stick Egg Pan will revolutionize your cooking. Imagine waking up and easily making the perfect sunny-side-up egg or omelet with zero fuss or frustration. No more scraping eggs off the pan or worrying about uneven cooking. With the Granitestone Blue Mini Non-Stick Egg Pan, you can cook your meals efficiently and enjoy perfectly prepared dishes with minimal effort. Quick and easy cooking. The pan heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly, allowing you to make meals in a fraction of the time. Its non-stick surface ensures your food slides right off without leaving a mess behind. Versatility for various dishes. While it's perfect for eggs and omelets, you can also use this pan for small servings of pancakes, sautéed vegetables, grilled cheese sandwiches, or even mini desserts. The possibilities are endless with this mini frying pan. Professional-grade performance. Unlike typical small frying pans that wear out over time, the Granitestone Blue Mini Non-Stick Egg Pan is infused with diamonds, which makes it stronger than traditional non-stick pans. You'll get years of performance from this frying pan, even with daily use. Who should buy the Granitestone Blue Mini Non-Stick Egg Pan? Single or small households. If you're cooking for 1 or 2 people, this mini pan will make preparing smaller meals simpler and more efficient. Health-conscious cooks. If you prefer cooking without oils or fats, this pan allows you to prepare your meals with minimal or no added fats, making it a healthier option for any diet. Busy professionals and parents. If you need a quick and easy solution for breakfast or dinner, this small frying pan will make your cooking process faster and stress-free. anyone who loves convenience. The compact size, combined with the ease of use and cleanup, makes this frying pan ideal for anyone looking to simplify their cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.